Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Imam Jafar al-Sadiq, renowned as the sixth Imam, was born to Imam Baqir and his mother, Farwa. During Imam Sadiq's era, a period marked by conflicts between the people of Bani Umayyah and the government of Bani Abbas, a unique opportunity arose for him to propagate Islam. Seizing this chance diligently, he played a pivotal role in advancing the faith. His notable student, Jafar Ibn, known as the father of chemistry, preserved countless hadith of the Prophet and the teachings of our faith, thanks to the guidance of Imam Sadiq. The life of our sixth Imam was characterized by diversity. Beyond expounding the principles of religion, he engaged in agricultural labor. On one occasion, while toiling in the fields, a companion offered to take his place. However, the Imam declined, affirming his unwavering commitment to hard work throughout his life. Like his predecessors, Imam Sadiq possessed profound knowledge, encompassing an understanding of the earth's composition and the varied vocations of the people. Once, when a companion sought his counsel after angrily arguing with his mother, the Imam questioned the companion's behavior. He reminded him of the immense sacrifices made by mothers and advised against rudeness, urging respect for one's mother. Imam Sadiq demonstrated proficiency in various languages. When visitors from Khurasan arrived, the Imam conveyed a hadith that garnered admiration. He further explained the hadith meaning in Farsi, illustrating how wealth acquired through unlawful means ultimately dissipates. Consistently, the Imam stressed the importance of aiding the impoverished and the needy. When a visitor praised the Shia of his region, Imam Sadiq inquired whether the rich there extended help to those less fortunate. Learning that they did not, the Imam questioned their claim of being Shia, emphasizing the imperative of assisting those in need. He himself would discreetly carry bread and money under his garments at night to provide for the poor. During his time, Mansur Dawanqi ruled, wary of Imam Sadiq's influence. Employing spies to closely monitor the Imam, Mansur feared that the people might rally behind him, challenging the government's authority. Despite numerous attempts, Mansur's efforts to assassinate the Imam failed. As Imam Sadiq consistently opposed Mansur's rule, the Caliph resorted to poisoning the Imam's food through his agents. Consuming the poisoned meal, Imam Sadiq fell gravely ill and eventually passed away. In his final moments, he gathered a congregation to emphasize the significance of prayer, asserting that anyone underestimating its importance would not receive his intercession on the Day of Judgment. In the face of adversity, Imam Sadiq remained unwavering in his commitment to faith and compassion, leaving an undeniable legacy of knowledge, piety, and selfless service.